Hello friends, once again welcome in Pharmaceutical Chemistry 2. Today we are continuing with anti-neoplastic agent. This is part 3 and presented by Mrs. Urmila Ravindra Gaudi, MPharm in Quality Assurance and currently lecturer in K.K. Wagh Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori, Nasik. Today we are going to deal with anti-metabolites. So in last session we already discussed alkylating agent and its detailed monograph. In this session we are going to deal with anti-metabolites as an anti-neoplastic agent. So let's start with anti-metabolites. What is anti-metabolites? These are the compounds which prevent biosynthesis or utilization of normal cellular metabolites. They are usually close related to normal metabolites and are resulted from small changes in the structure of metabolites. That is, they are bioisoesters of normal metabolites. These are the drugs that interfere with the one or more enzyme or their reaction that are necessary for DNA synthesis. So let's start with one by one. Methotrexate. It is also called amytropyrin or methylaminopterin. Physical property: it occurs as yellow or orange crystalline powder. It is very slightly soluble in water but soluble in dilute solutions of alkali hydroxide and carbonate. Stability and storage: it is affected by air and light, and hence it is stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses: it is an anti-neoplastic agent, therefore used to treat acute lymphocytic leukemia, acute non-lymphocytic leukemia, breast carcinoma, ovarian cancer, testicular cancer, karyocarcinoma, osteocarcinoma, head and neck carcinoma, lung carcinoma, medulloblastoma, severe cirrhosis, and it is valuable in the treatment of leukemic meningitis. It is also used to treat dermatomyositis due to its immunosuppressive action. Then pharmaceutical formulation: it is available in the form of methotrexate tablet, methotrexate injection, and the brand name are Biotrexate and Neotrexate. Now next drug is mercaptopurin. It is also called 6-mercaptopurin. Physical property: it is a yellow crystalline powder and is odorless. It is very slightly soluble in water but soluble in solutions of alkali hydroxide. Chemical property: when its saturated alcoholic solution is treated with alcoholic mercuric acetate solution, a white precipitate is obtained. When its alcoholic solution is warmed with alcoholic lead acetate solution, a yellow precipitate is obtained, and these two properties are used for its identification purpose. Then stability and storage condition: it is affected by air and light, hence it is stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Then uses: it is a cytotoxic agent, therefore used to treat acute lymphatic leukemia, acute myelogenous leukemia, chronic granulocytic leukemia. It is also an immunosuppressive agent and used to treat nephrotic syndrome, autoimmune disease like hemolytic anemia, severe rheumatoid arthritis, and systemic lupus erythematosus. In conjunction with folic acid antagonist, it is used to treat choriocarcinoma. Next drug is azathioprine. Physical property: it is a pale yellow powder and it is odorless. It is practically insoluble in water but soluble in dilute alkali hydroxide. It is decomposed on stronger as alkali solutions. Chemical property: when it is treated with zinc powder and hydrochloric acid, the nitrate group is reduced to amino group and the compound thus obtained is treated with sodium nitrite, sulfamic acid, and then beta naphthol solution is added. A pale pink color is produced. Storage and stability condition: it is affected by light and hence it is stored in well closed light resistant container. Uses: it is a slowly converted to mercaptopurine, thus it has slow onset and prolonged duration of action. It is a cytotoxic drug and therefore used to treat acute lymphatic leukemia, acute myelogenous leukemia, chronic granulocytic leukemia. It also an immunosuppressive agent and used to treat nephrotic syndrome, autoimmune diseases like hemolytic anemia, severe rheumatoid arthritis, systemic lupus erythematosus. In conjunction with folic acid antagonist, it is used to treat choriocarcinoma. Pharmaceutical formulation: it is available in the form of azathioprine tablet, azathioprine injection, and the brand names are Imuran and Azamune. Next drug is fluorouracil, or it is also called 5-fluorouracil. Physical property: it is a white powder and almost odorless. It is soluble in water but very slightly soluble in alcohol. Stability and storage condition: it is affected by air and light, hence it is stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses: it is a cytotoxic agent and therefore it is used alone or in conjunction with radiotherapy in palliative treatment of neoplasms of gastrointestinal tract, breast and cancer, pancreas, respiratory tract. To treat solar keratose and other malignant conditions of the skin. Thank you dear student for attending the session.